Introducing a fully functional Truck Airbrakes Educational Trainer with an EBS system. This advanced training tool provides a detailed and practical learning experience of truck and trailer pneumatic electronic braking systems, EBS. Equipped with 8 measuring gauges for truck lines and 5 for trailer lines to facilitate detailed system analysis, the plug-and-play design simplifies trainer use. Activate the safety switch, turn the key, and begin operations without the need for special preparation. The trainer enables wheel spinning simulation, allowing for accurate measurement and analysis of the pneumatic electronic braking system. Gain a complete learning experience by simulating braking with the brake pedal, observing the movement of each component, and interacting with the EBS system simulation. Experience detail analysis with both the central braking system and the parking braking system for truck and trailer configurations. Perform system diagnostics using the OBD2 connection and simulate system faults by disconnecting banana plug connections. Measure components by using multimeter or oscilloscope tools together with detail wiring diagram on board. Experience hands-on learning with our fully functional Truck Airbrakes Educational Trainer, featuring OEM WABCO components, offering realistic simulations, diagnostics, and fault analysis for truck and trailer EBS systems.